I'm back with another video. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be taking y'all along with me, you feel me? I'm about to finally try the Korean corn dogs, you feel me? I'm so excited, I ain't gonna lie. Cause I've been wanting to try this for like a minute now, you feel me? And I'm finally get to try it, you feel me? So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below more things y'all wanna see me do. Make sure y'all go follow me on all my social medias, and let's get to 200 subscribers. Hey, y'all, so I just got off the train, you feel me? And now I'm walking to the place. I'm dumb excited, you feel me? I hope they good like they say they are, you feel me? So I'm gonna be back when I get to the place. Alright, y'all, so I finally got it, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I can't wait, but here I got a red, you know, fruit punch drink, you feel me, to go with it. Cause you know I need something to drink when I'm eating, you feel me? But this is how it's looking, y'all, you feel me? So we're gonna start off, I think that's the classic one. So we're gonna start off with the classic one, you feel me? Okay. It's not bad. This got a little sugar on the back, you feel me? With the ketchup and mustard and the dog, you feel me? I'm gonna take another bite of this. Yeah. I love it, y'all. I'm gonna rate that. I'm gonna rate it a 9. Yeah. Alright, so this one is the 2-pan, you know, whatever. This one got ranch on it. I don't really like ranch, but we're gonna try it, you feel me? Yeah, it's got mozzarella in it, you feel me? I'm trying to see, y'all. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna give this. Come on, let me take one more bite. I think I'm gonna give it like a 7.5. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Yeah. So now we're gonna try this little I think this the cinnamon rice one, something like that. You feel me? So we're gonna try this one. Okay. So this got the mozzarella, y'all. We got the mozzarella with some ketchup and mustard. It's not bad, but I probably wouldn't get the ketchup and mustard on it if I get the mozzarella, you feel me? But it's not bad, y'all. It's not bad. After this, I don't know. Alright, y'all. I give this a I give it like an 8.5. Yeah. That's still high, you know? Now coming into this one, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been wanting to try this for so long. We got the potato with the hot Cheeto, you feel me? sauce or whatever it is. So we're gonna try this one, you feel me? This is the one I've been wanting to try for a minute. So I hope it's hitting, you feel me? My fault, y'all. I hate too much cheese, bro. This one, y'all, I got straight mozzarella. It's not bad, y'all, but if I do get this again, I probably wouldn't get the mozzarella with it. I'll probably get the regular hot dog with it. It's not bad. I'll give it a I'll give that one like 8. Yeah, like an 8. Hey, y'all. It's the final one that I'm about to try. I wanted to say this for last, y'all, because 1, it's spicy. I love spicy stuff, you feel me? 2, it's not only that it's spicy, I got the spicy dog to go with it, you feel me? So, y'all see, coming into here, we got the hot Cheeto with the spicy sauce, and inside is the spicy dog, you feel me? So let's try this. That's spicy. Okay. I'm feeling it, y'all. I ain't gonna. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I might have to give this a 10. Ooh, it's spicy, y'all, though. I'm giving this a 10. It's one of my favorites, so... Alright, come, y'all. So, ooh. Alright, so, I give this a 10. This is my first favorite, y'all feel me? This is my second favorite. The classic one, I'd say is my second favorite. Then I'd probably say this one is my third favorite. You know what I mean? Fourth favorite, fifth favorite. But, you know what I mean? I enjoy these, y'all, so y'all about to just, you know, I'm about to, you know what I mean? Yeah, y'all.
I don't know, all I know is
That's hitting.
I do remember that they really had
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. If y'all tried this before, let me know which one is y'all favorite, you feel me? Like, when y'all was trying it, let me know which one was y'all first favorite. And if you never tried it, I recommend for you to try it, you feel me? And if you didn't try it, comment down below, like, from its looks, which one y'all would choose to eat. You feel me? By its look. Which one would y'all choose to eat? You feel me? Alright, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video, you feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below more things I want to see me do, you feel me? Make sure y'all go follow me on all my social medias. And let's get to 200 subscribers, you feel me?